Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin all currently going according to plan so far. Not many surprises, not many changes really to my last video. But in this video, I'd like to talk a few things or a few words about what would need to happen for me to be able to tell you that the low is in. Yeah, there are a few things that need to happen where I would at least cautiously start to mention that finally, after that 6 to 7 month downturn from when I told you that we would be going to, reach that target area between 20 and 28.6K, that we can finally start to see and talk about a potential turnaround. So first of all of this sideways movement here, I told you that this is deeply corrective, deeply corrective, and that this would not be a foundation on which we can build new all-time highs. While a breakout would have been possible from here, it would not have been a breakout to all-time highs. I did say that very clearly in one of the videos a week ago or so, and Bitcoin listened and finally on Friday or Saturday started to move down, which is really good, which is also really good for the chart and which makes me not only more confident in my Elliott Wave count, which worked out, but also more confident in the chart. So all good, yeah, all fine. So we made a lower low compared to the one on the 12th of May, which is very important. What is important to see that this level here at 25.3K, and this is now where it's getting difficult, but this level, this swing low from the 12th of May has been support, and I think it will act as resistance going forward. But again, I would take that with a pinch of salt, because especially this low from the 12th of May, there are different prices on different exchanges. So maybe that is not even the relevant one. I think with the one which is really relevant is 28.6K. This will be massive resistance, and possibly here this level, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at 27.3K. And this is also the level that I would want to see Bitcoin move above to be able to tell you with caution that the low is in. Yeah, I think as soon as we go above that level, I will start to see it the way that the low has been in. Yeah, we won't know before. We can make assumptions, but this is really the level from which I would start to tell you that the low is in. Now, obviously there are potential, we can make assumptions before, as soon as we see a first 5-wave move up, and that could be just on a lower time frame. So we might be able to see that the low was in earlier, but this is just a very, very important resistance level, the 61.8% Fib level. And if we get above that, and then even better above 28.6K, then we can start to talk about the low being in, all coupled with a 5-wave move to the upside. That is what we want to see. At the moment, I still see and think that we are going to go lower, because at the moment it's all going so far to plan. We talked about here a price increase in a wave 4 here in yellow, which I think it is following at the moment. Few things to point out here. So I had those 3 dotted lines here. The lowest one is the 23.6% Fib level. This one is the 38.2% Fib level, and the 50%. So these are 3 target levels that a wave 4 can reach in ideal cases. Yeah, the 23.6 is the absolute minimum. That is at 22.6K. Then we've got the 38.2 that is at 23.7K. That has not been reached yet in this yellow wave 4, and then we've got the 50% Fib retracement at 24.6K. So it theoretically has space to all the way to here, 24.6, to extend the wave 4 out. And the wave 4 doesn't look finished yet. What I can tell you, definitely, this does not look like a breakout structure to the upside, especially not with that lower high here, at least not at the moment. Yeah, 2 things can unfold here. First of all, an extended wave 4, which might go all the way up to 24.6K. This would all be fine, or it's currently looking a little bit like the wave 4 is unfolding in a triangle. Yeah, this is also something that we need to keep an eye on, that this can unfold as a triangle. Similar to the wave 4 that we had here, which was just a larger triangle. Yeah, so bear in mind, this is what could unfold and what we would be seeing then. And I'll just make some assumptions here. Triangles can change a lot, but that we have seen already the wave A. This is the B, the C, the D, would mean one more leg up in a wave E, and then we would break down. Okay, this is certainly absolutely realistic. Bear in mind, a triangle can move, can shape, reshape, shift in size, and triangles are among the most difficult patterns to trade within and the most difficult patterns to forecast. But this is looking like that this wave 4 is unfolding in a triangle. That would also suggest or explain why we only reached the 23.6% fib level. And as long as we don't see more bullish signals, my view remains that we're going to go lower. And this is currently what's unfolding. Honestly, this is currently what's unfolding. What could be a target here for the wave 5 in yellow? Because this would be how I see it at the moment, the last leg down. But we always need to see how the price is then going to react. Yeah, when it reaches that wave 5, do we see a bullish confirmation? Do we see a first wave, a 5-wave move up? So until we really get there and until we see the reaction of the price, we will not be able to say the low is in or not. Yeah. But let's just take another look at the updated target for this wave 5. And to do that, we can take the length of the wave 1 and we go to the wave 4. We don't know where the wave 4 is going to end. We don't know yet. Yeah? And if it's a triangle, it's probably going to end somewhere here around 22.5K. And then the wave 5 target would be around 19K. Okay. What is important for that wave 5 is really only that it goes below the wave 3 low. So it would need to go below 20.8K. So the thing is, as long as we stay below 24.6K, my view is we are going to go lower. If we get above that level, I will get more leaning possibly towards the low has been in already. Yeah, but I need to look at the price structure then. And as soon as we really go above the 61.8% fib level, we can be more confident. And I will keep you updated about everything. If I see any signals earlier, I will let you know. But again, the 61.8 fib level is set 27.3K. Here, looking at the small triangle at the moment, what would be invalidation point at the moment? Invalidation point at the moment would be to the upside, 22.8K, but that is not that important. If we go above that level, it is probably still a wave 4, but it won't be a triangle then. So don't really look at that too much. But I'll keep an eye on the triangle structure, certainly. And to the downside, the target is 20.8K. And if we go below that, 20K and then 19K. So this is what I'm looking at here at the moment. Just a consolidation. That triangle could move on until we maybe see the Fed rate decision tomorrow. And so it could just be sideways movement until then. It remains interesting. I'll keep you updated. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. And make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content and you can find the official links in the description. Please use the links. Please don't just search for us on Instagram because there are a lot of scam profiles. And just make sure you use these social media links. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.